All right, guys, so this is the NCVI wearable automated breast pump. So let's unbox this bad baby and see what it do. Right. Okay, so what I do like NCVI as a company. Let's say that. This is kind of, the presentation is not neat. It's not what I'm used to. They just kind of have everything in a box, in bags, kind of all over the place. So points off for that, but let's see what they got. See if they have everything we need. Okay. So nipple size, good. Okay. Has this quick installation guide, so that's nice. Always need a quick installation guide, guys. You can always, I always look for this first because this you know, the large user manual will have a bunch of stuff in it, but like everything you need. Quick start guide will let you know exactly what you need to get started, get to the point. Let's jump in, you know, let's get straight to it. My wife be trying to pump, okay? So let's get straight to it. So I do like that. Oh, extra points. It comes with freezer bags, like breast milk storage bags. So it comes with these. It looks like it comes with about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks like 8 to 10 of these. Don't quote me on that, but that's what it looks like in here. So that's really nice. That's really nice because otherwise you would have to buy this separately. I know some companies sell them and they don't come with the freezer bags. So this is nice. This is nice. Extra points for that. Okay. Comes with the USB-C chargers. See them right here. Just kind of in a Ziploc bag. Don't mind that. No base for it's a USB-C charger, but the port for the wall itself is just regular USB. So make sure you got a USB charger if you are charger base if you are getting this. FYI. So points off for that. All right. Okay, so let's see. Oh, comes with 2 flanges. Okay, 19 millimeter. No, so that's it. It only comes with 2. Now I know some, like a lot of companies also come with more. This only has 2. I mean, it's a good start. At least they do have 2. But just know if this is not your nipple size, that you're gonna have to buy some more. All right. I'm not gonna deduct points for that, but yeah, they could put different sizes in there to give the women some different options. Okay. All right, and here we go. You see it? This is the real size, so it's a little large. Putting this in your shirt or anything like that might be a little difficult, but see, I was wrong. It comes with an extra set of flanges as well. So it comes with flanges that are already in here. And these are, what size are these? These are 21 millimeter. Okay, and this itself is 24 millimeters. So ignore what I said earlier. I take it back. They do come with multiple flanges and multiple sizes. So that is great. Good job. All right. Okay. So let's see how easy it is to take apart. So you can take the flange out right here. Take the flange out. Easy enough, right? And then you can remove this portion. This is fairly easy, and it's movable, so it feels a little bit more comfortable than some of them I've seen. Some of them are like plastic, and my wife used them, and some of them hurt her. So I don't like that. Don't be hurt my wife. All right. And then you could take this right off, and then you got the milk storage that remains in here. So easy enough. And then you can also take this portion out right here. And so to put it back together, take this, boom, put that in here. Oh, I had it upside down. Okay, that's a little, oh, I'm tripping. Boom. Okay, so you're gonna have to work for that a little bit. Boom. And then you throw this right on. And you gotta make sure, can you see that? You gotta make sure it aligns with the little bubble in there. So make sure it aligns properly. Yeah, all right. Okay, so what I'm seeing here is that you have to make sure that it aligns perfectly inside, okay? Which is not hard, but it's definitely not as easy as some pumps, okay? But it's not hard, okay? You just gotta make sure you pay attention to that, otherwise it can be frustrating, all right? But boom, there you guys go right there. Yeah, easy to use. That's the unboxing. So yeah, I will give this 7 out of 10. Yeah, guys, I would recommend this. I will recommend this, giving it a try. So, all right, y'all. Peace.